Very short. How difficult is it to make your rich text box fully adjustable for text? Well, there are certain methods you can recreate your control. That's what most people try to do for one reason or another. I don't understand why. And then there's something else you can, when you go in here, you will see, but, well, okay, this is for text, a text box and not a rich text box. But you get all this kind of coding. The people are crazy about this. There must be an easier way, man. This is almost like recreate the complete rich text box. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. If I go, right, man, come on. Let's go. If I look at this, and you get your, there's one. A complete rebuild of a, you can't believe this. There it is. When you run it, this is now a nice, I don't know why I didn't load it before the time, but okay. There you have it. There's the control. If you go into the control, you get frightened to see what the guys did. This. Okay. But justification, just justification alone is, there's that box there. If you go in there, you have to have a complete set of, oh no, really guys? Okay. So what I did was, because I saw something is very easy and nice, all you need to do is create or set your alignment to the right or to the left or to the center. What happens if you have a text file like this one, and you want to know if there's already right inside? So let's say we stop this here. Come on. No, you will block me. Come on, stop there. And I tell you, okay, so if I select this, okay, it won't work. It won't work again. Come on, man. Let's switch out that first thing. And what do we have here? Okay, Shift F9, copy this. What do we want? So what do we want? We search for a Q. That is to set your text to the right. If it is a QR, 100% right, you can change your justification. Can it? Only there. But what happens if you start, let's say I begin here, and we do this one, and okay, so let's say we run from the beginning, and we do that one, and we say hello, and of course you know it won't work because that damn thing is set again. Let's see again. Okay, let's just take that one, this one. Shift F9, copy that one, go over here. What do we have? There's no Q. So you have to set the alignment first. As I say, or a QL for left, QR for right, or QC for the center, but we want the QJ for justification. So now you need to set your justification first before you can change anything. Unless, and I tried it different ways, I don't seem to get it right, even now. So what we do is, and what does work, if you already have a alignment set. So now when you set that alignment right down here, what do we have? You can maybe you can work directly. Let's see. Copy. We go back, and suddenly we have a right. So when you change it to right, and if you can get it to work, sometimes it worked and sometimes it didn't. So what I found is to change the complete document, all your text, you create it all and make it justification to the center, fully justified at once. Then it works. So let me show you. If I stop this one, don't block me there and don't block me there, and you can go down. Okay, so what will happen is, just for in case, let I stop that thing. So if you want to make this justification, this is the only button that works in this whole thing anyway. Then it stops at the right. If you click at any other place and you come back again and you click it again, it will make it justified fully. You don't want to reset and re-click and whatever you want to do all the time. So, and even if you, there it is. So what I do is, man, this is so crazy. So if you click then, you select all your text and you make it right or justified, immediately everything is justified, or justification is set fully. I don't know why, but this is the easiest and the fastest way to do this. No complicated coding. This is all you need. Well, what I found anyway, for myself, this is the only thing you need. This fully justification for your text. There it is. But you need to have at least a right set or a left set or a what. So if you want to make it left, you must make it left like that, and then you will look for the left and you will replace the left with that one. So let's see if it's working. So save it, run it. Let's just for in case set everything, and no, it don't work. Why it don't work? Because by default all your text in the RichTextBox is already set to left. So you have to make it all center and change this one to a C and this one to a C, or you have to do it with a right. So let's see again if it's working for the rest. And let's just for in case set everything there, and voila, it works. So doesn't matter if it is center or right, but left doesn't work because that's your default setting. So immediately you have your fully justification set. Well guys, that's all you need. Actually, only this. Only this. You don't even need the if. You can just continue because you already set it. You already set that one. So you only have to connect that one. You don't even need this one, whatever. You just need that line. That line, and of course this line. Sorry, there they are. This is what you need. those, let's say 4 lines. You can even do this directly. You don't need a whatever. You can just say replace this. Okay, this one is, that one equals that one, replace, and you don't need that one. Actually you can, but you already set it on top there, so you don't need this one. And of course you won't need this one and this one and this one, and you don't need that one. So this is actually the only 2 lines you really need. Am I lying or not? Let's see. Let's go and see. Let's save it. I can always remark it. So let's go, just for in case that, and we select everything, and there it is. Is it? Is it set? Yes. Fully justification set. The only 2 lines you need. Only those 2 lines you need. You don't need anything else. So there you have it, guys. This is just a easy, fast way to do this.